So in this iMovie tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add photos to a video or inside of a video here in iMovie. So first thing you have to do is open up iMovie and first off add a video or a background to your design. So for this demonstration, I actually have a patterned yellow sort of cube looking background that I'm going to be adding a picture to. So if I were to just play this video, it's pretty straightforward, nothing crazy there now to add. A photo to the video, it's pretty straightforward. Go to sort of the middle left area, press on the plus arrow, go into the photos tab. So for me right here, I just took a whole bunch of different black screenshots right now for demonstration, but these are all photos. So press on whatever photo that you want from your camera roll or whatever the case may be. Perhaps you downloaded a photo from the internet, whatever it is, it doesn't really matter. Press on the photo you want to add. Now there's two different options right below it. There's the circle with the plus arrow and there's the three little dots. I want you to press on the three little dots. And there's a whole bunch of different options. There's cutaway, picture in picture, split screen, and a green/blue screen. So because we want to add a photo to a video, we're going to go ahead and do picture in picture. And once that is done, it actually adds the photo over top. So if you wanted to maybe slide this photo all the way across, you can make it, you know, as large or as small as you want. What you can do is press on the photo. If you want to move it around, you can press on in the top right. There's sort of arrows in all four directions. Go ahead and press on that. Then you can pinch it. You can make it larger, make it smaller, whatever the case may be there. So once that is done, I'll exit out of that. And pretty much if I were to play this, that's how you guys can add a picture to a picture or add photos to a video here in iMovie. I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.